Good. Can you say hi? Can you be a little more polite? Would you like to introduce yourself? Are you famous? Alright, how about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Cry like a baby? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream! That sounds evil. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Einstein, are we in trouble? Good. Can you work out? Good. What are you doing? What are you doing? Whisper. Einstein, can you help me call the dogs? Can you sing in the shower? Do happy birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Good job. We say it's time to go.